What the heck is this gonna be?
No shoe fence.
It's not a shoe fence. This is something else weird we saw.
It's quite a road.
It is. Whoa. Woo! Oh, here. Thanks for the gift. Okay, so what we're checking out here is Intaglio. Is that how you say that? Intaglio? This is north of Blythe, California. This is the only place in the U.S. that these intaglios are at.
Which is a geoglyph.
It's a type of geoglyph. So we've seen petroglyphs,
Pictographs.
pictographs.
But these are in the ground.
Yes, so that's not very great with my shadow, but basically it's been engraved into the ground.
I read somewhere like between some of them 400 years old, some of them thousands of years old. Different Indians that lived in this area did that. That's so cool.
Wow.
It says there's similar ground figures exist in Peru, Chile, England, and Australia. However, this is the only region in the United States where there are geoglyphs. Although their exact age is unknown, these earth figures provide important insight into the early lifeways along the lower Colorado River landscape. But here's a picture of from the air 1932, and then of course 82 after.
Yeah, so they didn't fence them in till 74. And there was some damage from off-road vehicles between 32 and 82, but
This is just BLM land, so I don't see any reason that maybe I could put the drone up as far as seen from the air.
that's what I wonder. Let's investigate that and see if we can, because I would really like to see these from the air. We're going to be on the ground looking at them, but it's going to be really cool to see them from above, I think. Let's see. It's really hard to see from the ground. Well, I see it. I actually do see it.
Oh yeah. The fact that they survived thousands of years is crazy.
Yeah, really is incredible.
I mean, even to survive like 5 or 10 years.
Yeah.
I guess it doesn't get a lot of rain, and they actually dug down.
Uh-huh. Huh. That's something.
You just in your mind just picture some early Native Americans doing this. This is right here doing
Right
this
in
thing.
the spot, like we're standing right where they stood.
It's always kind of weird when you think that
Isn't
way.
it? Is very weird. Let's check this other one out.
Oh, I didn't even see you.
Oh, you didn't? Let's see. Can't see this one so good. Oh, here comes the drone. Ah, that'll get a better shot than what I can get. Check it out. They're harvesting cotton. I I've never seen that before. I've seen cotton, not only like once or twice, but looks like big cotton stacks. Oh, whoa.
Oh, they're baling.
They're putting it in a big tub trailer. Whoa. Trippy. Whoa, I just want to go jump in that. Do you think they'll let me? He's picking it up with a pitchfork. Just like, hey. Hey.
Hey, hey, hey.
What happens when you break one?
Oh, we broke the
Broke
bale.
the baler. Or a bale. That's from one bale.
Yeah. So it broke a bale.
Crazy. So it sounds like they broke a bale open. So they gotta scoop it up. That is a lot of cotton in a bale. This looks like a great spot for the night. This is just some boondocking south of Palo Verde, California. The Colorado River is not far, so Arizona is just over there somewhere. Oh, I got the Instapot going with some potatoes. Dave's carving. Oh, we can't. There's no reveal yet. He's on to the next project. He cannot be stopped. I think we're doing breakfast burritos tonight for dinner.
Is that what we're doing?
Yeah. How's that sound?
Sounds awesome.
Yeah, I think so too. Oh, I'm gonna get that guitar out too. I'm trying to practice every day, so I at least maintain or maybe learn something new. We'll see. I'll see you guys in the morning. So on our way to the spot I wanted to show you guys, if it's anything, we saw a dump site. So we pulled over here at this Chevron, dumped our tanks for $10. They don't have fresh water here, but they do have a freshwater station, drinking water station. So we just put $1 and we're getting 5 gallons. We don't need much, but we just wanted to top it off. But the thing that they give you to put water doesn't obviously work for our situation, so we improvised.
The things we show you.
Yeah, so this is what we normally just screw our fresh water hose into and then turn on the water and let it rip. But yeah, so this nozzle thing is not long enough, deep enough to go inside. It just kept pushing all the water back out. So we had this idea to do this, and so far it's actually working pretty good. What do they say? Necessity is the mother of all invention.
It's gonna be the longest 5 gallons of my life.
But it's only $1.
Yeah, for water.
I know. We normally don't pay for dump sites very often. Sometimes you have to because there's just no option nearby. So that's what we did, and yay, adventure! MacGyver.
Turn left onto Center of the World Drive, Frontage Road.
What? Where do we bring you? Center of the World Plaza. I think we are officially in the center of the universe. This person petitioned and got this point declared center of the universe. The story is really bizarre. It's quite lengthy, but if you want to Google Felicity, California, center of the universe or center of the world, it's both kind of what they're calling it. But let's get out and check this out, see if anything's open. I don't think there is anything open, but let's just see. There's God's arm out here used as a sundial. Wow. This is crazy.
It is 11:25 here.
Okay. Well, I don't even know what that says. Noon. Arm of God. Oh, from the creation, painted by Michelangelo in the Sistine Chapel. Wow. Oh, sundial times vary from clock time. The correct local time of the sundial is set at noon on Christmas Day. Wow. This is bizarro.
So what?
I don't... This...
Is a church on the hill up there?
Yeah, but this pyramid here is the center of the universe. Inside there is a plaque, like a bronze sculpture thing. I don't think they're open though. I gotta look in here. There's also a history of granite museum here. So this is all pink granite here. Oh man, it's closed.
Oh, what is this?
I don't know
Is that
what
a church?
this is. Yeah, I think so.
History of California on this side, 1850. History of Arizona on that side.
Oh wow. It's endless. Look around me. Look. All this.
This is
You could really spend a few days just reading all this. I did not expect to see this.
You got more plans. There's this blank one. Looks like he's working on that one.
Museum of History in Granite. Well, they're not kidding. That's what this is.
There's humanity.
Wow. Wow. And there's still empty panels over there. Well, we're still creating history.
On behalf of the people of the world, this monument is designed as a key for visitors of the far distant future to understand our writings.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. Huh. I don't even know what to, this is not what I expected.
I'm just blown away.
I have a confession to make, you guys. I saw when I noticed this on the map, or however I found it. History in Granite. I thought it said history of Granite. So I actually thought there was a museum here that explained the history of granite. I'm not joking. I'm not joking. And it was about halfway through our walk here of the history in Granite that it dawned on me that we were in the Museum of the History in Granite, not of Granite. I was thinking that's not that interesting. I mean, I guess some people might be interested in granite, like really an in-depth look into granite. Oh, life is funny, isn't it? Oh. Wow. Yeah. The church on the hill at Felicity. Wow. I know I just keep saying wow, but I just don't know what else to say.
You gotta come here. It's just we're gonna have to come back and spend more time here to really look at
And when
things.
they're open. And it looks like the artist is installing something on this wall over here. It's just endless. It's on and on and on. Oh, it goes through animals, monkeys.
And relatives.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
Bats.
Must be on break right now. She or he.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look. Wow. I'm just so impressed. Oh, hippo! That's my favorite. Hippopotamus for Christmas. Only hippopotamus will do. One more thing I gotta check out before we go. Staircase to nowhere. What is this about? Oh, whoa. So this is from a section of the original staircase that goes up the Eiffel Tower. It's a section from the original staircase from the Eiffel Tower.
Get out of here.
Yes. This whole thing, it's just you just can't really experience it unless you come. I mean, the video I know is just not going to really capture the essence of this place.
It's no shoe fence.
It's no shoe fence. Hey, there is a desert checkerboard though. King me. Wow, that was just really crazy.
Yeah.
Full of surprises. Oh, so we're gonna pop into Yuma, get some groceries, and we don't have to dump tanks anymore. We do need to do updates, so. Oh, I need an iced coffee. Stat.
Something cold to drink. Sounds good.
Yeah, let's do it. We'll catch y'all later.
Carry on.
Carry on.